Cook for you, spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for you presents marbled sugar cookies. Take 120 grams room temperature butter. Add 85 grams powdered sugar. Be careful, it can create a mess and sugar dust fly everywhere around the room. Cream together until fluffy and light in color. Scrape the bowl. At this point add 1 room temperature egg, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, pinch of salt, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder. At the start, it looks like it is split, however, keep mixing and it will come together. Beat well until light and fluffy. Scrape the bowl. Add 250 grams plain flour. Sift the flour. Fold with spatula. Add flour in the batches. Combine well with spatula. Knead the dough. Do not add milk. Place the dough on butter paper. Cover with another butter paper and slightly press. Roll out the dough evenly. Not too thin or too thick. I'm using Eve cookie cutter, but you can use any. Start pressing out the shapes and cut the cookies. I'm cutting 2 big cookies. You can also refrigerate the dough for 30 minutes before cutting. Take flattened spatula to hold them easily because they are fragile. Remove the edges and put them on butter paper. Refrigerate for 30 minutes. So it's slightly hardened and gonna hold easily. Remove cookies from the refrigerator. Line the basket with parchment paper. Place the cookies in the air fryer basket. Bake it at 12 to 15 minutes at 165 degrees Celsius. Cookies are baked well. Again air fryer the second batch. Bake it at 12 to 15 minutes at 165 degrees Celsius. Cookies are done. Make sure your cookies cool down completely and keep them on the cooling rack before placing fondant on it. Look how beautifully they're baked. Check out the other one too. Meanwhile, prepare the fondant top layer. Take any fondant colored icing. Dr. Oetker, the best icing I have ever had. Mix 2 fondant together to give them marble effect look. Roll out the dough. You can also dust some corn flour to avoid sticking. Cut the same cookie shape. Apply the water or edible glue on the back of the fondant, to stick the fondant on the cookie. Gently press on cookie. Now use the stamp to engrave the shape. Gently press. It will engrave on cookie. Pull the stamp. Voila, it's appear on the cookie. The second method is you can engrave first. Now stick on the cookie. Look how beautiful shape appear. Take any good quality fondant that tastes good. In childhood we played with clay. You can play with fondant too. Your kids gonna love this activity. Same technique, mix two different fondant. Make smoother before rolling out. Don't mix too much, it will turn into one color and ruin your marble effect. Roll out the dough. Just remember the cookie shape and cut the same fondant shape. Pull out the excess fondant and roll it out and make more from this. Apply the same shape fondant on the same cookie. Gently press. Stamp it. Eid Mubarak. Do remember us in your precious prayers. It's so easy to make. Repeat the same procedure. Use the stamp to engrave different shapes or text on cookies. Colorful, beautiful, happy sheeps. Any guesses what's I'm gonna engrave next? It looks and tastes so good. I'm cutting 2 more circles for big cookies. I'm gonna emboss Eid Mubarak. First, brush water on whole circumference. Stick well on cookie. Now, engrave the stamp. Next I'm using Eid al-Adha stamp. You can also engrave first. Then apply water. Stick on cookies. You can also use edible pen to make the words darker. Sprinkle some edible gold dust. It will become more beautiful and shiny. Look how beautifully baked. Let me show you another one. Trust me, you try it once, you'll never buy online cookies. This is perfect to give someone as a gift. I have this box, but you can garnish your box with shredded crinkle colorful paper and pack individual cookies in clear small bags like stores. Can be stored in an airtight container at room temperature, and sugar cookies can last for up to 2 weeks. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.